Happy Friday, you guys. Welcome back to my channel. We are back with another pink day in my life with your favorite pink lover.
Let us begin with the bad little specimen. Balenciaga's only things I be stepping in. Gucci baby suits, only thing I'm dressing in. Cause I get better than an ABC of veteran.
So we got so much stuff to do on the agenda for today. My bonnet is gonna be on because I am gonna go get my hair washed and braided, okay? Not braided, washed and blow dry. I'm so used to getting my hair washed and braided down. It's just gonna be washed. I'm actually not doing my hair till Sunday. So we might turn this into a weekend vlog. We'll see how it goes. Cause y'all know, as an entrepreneur, yeah, your life be unpredictable, okay? I could say I'm gonna do these things and all these other things is gonna pop up. So we'll see, okay? But right now I'm about to go fill my water cup up because we're actually running late. But so far on the agenda, we are about to go to the post office first. I actually have to drop something off at UPS, but the UPS is literally right across from the post office, something that I bought from Amazon that I no longer need, and it's still in the box and everything. So I'm gonna drop that off at UPS, go to the post office, get my goodies. Then we're gonna go get our hair washed and blow dried, and I'm gonna get breakfast in between that time as well. And then at 2 p.m. we're linking with another content creator. So it's 10:30. Now I'm just putting ice in my Stanley cup. I didn't fill some of these molds all the way. I got these super cute ice shaped molds, y'all. They're super, super cute. So look at this little ice cube, y'all. But these are just so perfect, y'all. I love it, I love it, I love it. So that's all we're gonna do. Fill our water up. My bag, I brought this bag to wear to lunch for 2 p.m. But as far as my running errands, this Barbie bag has been my to-go bag for running errands, y'all, because it's just so simple. It doesn't have a zipper, which could be a good thing and a bad thing in certain scenarios, but it's just a quick little bag. It pretty much has everything in there. Like I have my camera charger, for example, my battery charger and my camera charger. I have my little fan. I have my headband because like I told you, I'm getting my hair washed and blow dry. So that way, I probably should grab my other, or it might be giving different shades of pink today because we might still wear this. I have a lighter pink version of this headband. I might go grab my wallet, my keys, AirPods, lip gloss, and things like that. So we're already running late, you guys. So I'm gonna do my 90-day devotional really quick because I have a 90-day devotional. So I have to make sure I do the morning. It has a morning and an evening. So I gotta make sure I do the morning part of it, and then I'm gonna check in with you guys when we get to the next spot. Look at all the goodies. I love checking my P.O. box. And y'all wanna know what's so crazy? Why I told y'all I was gonna glue my nail, right? I don't know if I told y'all or not, but I had a missing nail and I said I was gonna glue it. Right when I got to the post office and I'm trying to find my P.O. box key, why this nail pop off? And it's in my purse. I need to start keeping nail glue in my car. I don't know why I do not, but usually they've been staying on with the glue that my sister uses that I borrow from her, but I've been using my glue for the ones that pop off, so I think that's why they're not staying. But that's besides the point, y'all. But we got packages from Fashion Nova, y'all. We got a package from Fashion Nova goodie. We just got so many goodies in here, you guys. So many goodies in here. I know one of these is a Barbie thing, so I cannot wait. I cannot wait to open it up. But yeah, so we're about to head to the Dominican hair salon now so I could go get my hair washed. Looking like a schoolgirl, okay. Hair washed and blow dried. I did get a little trim to dust off my ends, and I'm not getting my hair actually done till Sunday, y'all. So hopefully my hair makes it, okay. I'm gonna definitely try to figure out what I'm gonna do at night to preserve this because I'm used to getting my hair washed and done in the same day, but I gotta spend the rest of today and tomorrow with my hair out. But we'll see. So I'm actually early, y'all. So like I told y'all, I'm supposed to be meeting with Donald at 2. It's actually 1:12. Well, no, it's 12:56, but I'm gonna get to the destination at 1:12. So I'm gonna probably stop at TJ Maxx because I got a reward to use at TJ Maxx. So I'm gonna just go there and see what they have going on. Hey y'all, so we are at TJ Maxx. When I tell you guys, TJ Maxx literally had nothing. But I did end up getting these 2 items and my total was only like $1. Y'all, not my friend. I'm literally in the parking lot. I'm literally in the parking lot of the restaurant. But I had a $10 reward with TJ Maxx because I got the credit card. So I got these straws, because I needed some stainless steel straws that are not glass because I broke my other ones. And then I got this snack, y'all, to try. This snack was only $7.99 and these were $2.99. So we're about to go link up now, y'all, because I am outside the restaurant. And what's crazy, I'm a little hungry. Not really, because I had a bacon, egg, and cheese earlier, but I didn't get to show it to y'all. Dang, y'all. I just realized I wanted to bring this bag inside, but my camera's not going to be able to fit in here. Link check. Hey y'all, so today is August 16th. It's currently 12:11 p.m. you guys. So I did my 60-day devotional. I also journaled my 10 goals, which are 8 out of 10 goals. I wrote those down. I'm drinking coffee today and water, of course. So we are about to go to the grocery store, you guys. I have not been grocery shopping in over 2 to 3, almost 3 weeks, I want to say. It's been over 2 weeks for sure. And tomorrow I'm planning to do a picnic after I get my hair done. So I'm getting my hair, y'all. I'm getting my hair braided in the crochet here tomorrow at 10 a.m. Whenever I finish with that, I'm doing the picnic. So let me show you guys. This is definitely gonna be a vlog in itself, so make sure you guys are subscribed. If you are hearing my voice right now and you're not subscribed, what are you doing, okay? So I'm doing a picnic tomorrow. So I got this super cute picnic basket and it has like the pink rope. I'm gonna have to tie around it, and it pretty much comes with everything that you need for a picnic for 2. So it has salt and pepper shakers, it has the little glasses, fork, knife, spoon, wine opener. They also give you 2 glasses and the tablecloth thing, and I packed a pink blanket because I'm trying to not carry a lot of stuff. Everything that I'm bringing y'all needs to fit in here. So in the next vlog, I'm gonna show you guys how I packaged everything and actually vlog the experience, because this is my first time ever doing a picnic as an adult. Like in elementary school and stuff, we used to do little picnics, but as a full-on adult. And then I got this container, and it's pink, of course, and this is kind of for the food that I'm gonna bring in, like light snacks. So I plan on putting like strawberries, watermelon, pineapple, crackers, maybe make little sliders. Like I want to have each container filled with a different item. I'm also thinking if I should go to Target and try to find like pink snacks, because I know they have like pink pretzels and stuff like that, because I really want everything to be nice and cute and just pink and pretty. And then y'all, y'all, my dress, stay tuned for the vlog. My dress, I got a new dress that came in and it's pink. So that's what I'm gonna be planning to wear tomorrow. Yeah, y'all, so I'm about to go grocery shopping. Yesterday, brunch was so good. The avocado toast could have been better because I love avocados. But I did like the crepes. That was good. It gave like Dubai chocolate. I'm kind of mad, y'all. I didn't get to go to Burlington, but I did go to TJ Maxx and they had nothing in there, y'all. I only saw 2 Juicy Couture purses and I did not want the ones that I saw, but that's a good thing because I save money. Oh, let me show y'all. Y'all, how did I forget to show y'all my pink items? And I already started putting stuff away. Dang, y'all. So I got these pink headphones for the gym because as y'all know, I've been going to the gym and I do have AirPods, but I just feel like when you be getting sweaty, like the AirPods it be feeling like it's gonna fall out. So these are not as pink as I thought they were, but I did get some new pink actual headphones. I also got, I'm about to come eat this to try to snack. I also got a pink brush makeup remover thing, and I also got a new wax pot that's pink. So those are the 3 things, and then of course my dress that I got that's pink. Okay, all pink everything, pink girlies. So yeah, y'all, so I'm gonna check in with you guys when we go to the grocery store, and let me know in the comments, have you ever had a picnic before? How was your experience? What did you pack for the picnic? Let me know in the comment section. I ran errands. When I tell y'all I love this cart so much because you don't have to worry about buying bags or wasting bags. Everything can fit in here. I do have the other one in the back seat. The other one in the back seat has my meats and stuff, and y'all don't mind my seat car covers. I still have to watch a video to figure out how to do it. I was trying to have my god sisters fix it while they were sitting in my back seat when we hung out, but y'all don't mind the back. As long as my seat is covered is really all I care about. I'm still trying to decide if I want to go to Target or if I want to wait until tomorrow, but y'all, I did good, okay? Because when I walked in today, I was like, I'm not really trying to buy too much stuff because I will be going to Costco soon, and I'm trying to do my big stock of when I go to Costco, but I'm trying to wait to go to Costco because there's something in particular I got to get at Costco, but I'm waiting for something which y'all will know sooner because it will be in a vlog. So I'm kind of like, I don't want to buy too much stuff because I know when I go to Costco I'm gonna do my big restock, because y'all know Costco is like family type supply. So I'm only trying to get what I need. So I got like, I'm glad I found a small pack of these Hawaiian rolls. I didn't even know the smaller version existed, y'all, because I'm not about to buy no big pack of rolls and it's just me and my sister and I live alone. So I got this pack so we can make like little club sandwiches with bacon and cheese. Well, dang, y'all, I just realized I don't have lettuce and tomatoes. I did not buy lettuce and tomatoes, y'all. And I saw the lettuce and I saw the tomatoes, but I was like, nothing on my meal list includes these ingredients, so that's why I didn't buy it. But we just gonna have a basic ham, mayo, lettuce, cheese, bacon type of thing, because either way, the lettuce, I really don't be liking lettuce and tomatoes in sandwiches if I'm not eating it ASAP. Like, I don't want it to be sitting all up in my sandwich. And then I got strawberries. I also got watermelon. Now, I did not end up getting the pineapple, y'all. The pineapple was $4. I'm not paying $4 for no pineapple. I'm sorry. I love pineapples. I'm not paying $4 for a pineapple. I'm not. When I'm used to paying $1 too, I'm not paying $4 for no pineapple. That is just crazy. So, on my, like, so far, let me tell y'all, like, my list of what I plan on making. Rasta pasta / jerk pizza, if that even makes any sense. I basically want to make a Rasta pasta pizza. Like, instead of pasta form, I want to make it on a pizza crust. Like, basically the cheese sauce, the Parmesan cheese sauce, and then the jerk chicken. And I got a bag of peppers. Stay tuned for my content, y'all. Make sure y'all follow me on social media, Rica_forever, RICA_forever. It's also linked in the description box to watch all the meals that I'm gonna make. Me and my sister also wanted patty melts, so I got this from my sister, the 40-calorie bread, because I love bread, but this bread is only 40 calories. So I'm just trying to eat a healthier lifestyle. I also got a lot of yogurts, because these are probiotic formula. So yeah, y'all stay tuned for the content. Like I said, make sure you're following me on Instagram. So now we're about to go home and I'm about to work on content. because I have so much content today to work on. Today is actually a content day for me. Like, I got so much stuff, like I said, I have to work on for different things. Rise and shine, you guys. Happy Sunday. Today is August 17th. So right now I'm about to pack the picnic basket. Okay, I was gonna make this a vlog in itself, and I was like, nah, let's just put everything together. So last night I kind of put some of the things in my car already. Like, I packed pillows, I packed a blanket, I packed champagne, I packed the pink lemonade. So yeah, so right now I'm just gonna quickly, because like I said, I am running late. I already have my outfit ready. So the stuff that I got from the grocery store are gonna go in here. Okay, you guys, so I packed everything. I'm running late now, so I'm about to close the picnic basket and put it in my cart and head to my hair appointment, y'all, because I have about 30 minutes till my appointment, y'all, and I have not even left yet. It's literally 9:32. I gotta hurry up, and I gotta put my clothes on. Oh, my hair is done, and I love it, you guys. I love my hair so much. I'm gonna insert some videos of my hair right here that I posted on Instagram, so make sure y'all follow me. So I am at the park, you guys, the park where I'm having the picnic. So let me show you guys I'm gonna show you guys the cart and everything. Got everything on the wagon. So I got the picnic vibe set up. I brought these super cute pink fake roses. These are from Pink Posh, so shout out to her. Barbie mirror, Barbie diary, champagne, my sandwiches and snacks, pink lemonade, all Barbie vibes, my pillows, my holder for my iPad, and yeah, y'all. Well, it's champagne, not even wine, y'all. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, y'all. I am over here working on business, working on content, because if you did not know, your girl is a business owner. I do help people start businesses. itasty.com, lashes, lip gloss, vending machines, everything you need. So I'm working on mock-ups for my private label orders for people that order lip oils, lip gloss, and want their logo on it. I have my glass of wine. What should I have you guys comment? If you watch this video, y'all see I'm on my new couch. If you haven't seen the vlog, watch it. If you watch this video all the way to this point, comment you love pink, so I know that you are a true supporter and you actually watch my videos all the way through. You're not just lurking, you actually support. Comment you love pink, and I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I'm about to come get it edited for y'all too when I'm done working. Y'all, right now it is 9:32 and we still working, okay? Have a good night, you guys. Bye.